How to sign in Netflix on phone. Whether it's iPhone or Android, the first thing you want to do is you open up Play Store or App Store. Now search for Netflix. You want to have this application installed on your device. If you have not done that, tap on the install button. Once it has been installed, tap on the Netflix option. Now if you are new to Netflix and you don't have an account, tap on the get started option, and from here you can follow the on-screen prompt to create your account. If you have already an account and only you want to log in, then tap on the sign in option at the top right corner. Here you will have to enter your phone number or email address. Then you want to enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, tap only forgot password option to retrieve your password. Once you have entered all the credentials, tap only sign in option, and if your details are correct, you will be signing into your account. If you do not want to download the application of Netflix, you can also open Netflix in a browser. Open up any web browser and then head over to Netflix. Then select the website netflix.com. Here tap on the sign in option, enter all of your credentials and sign into your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.